I'm Dr. Vijayashree Priyadarshini, clinical geneticist and research scientist from Savita Dental College and Hospital. It gives me an immense pleasure to have shared this day of saliva path at Adhiparasakthi Dental College. I would like to thank Shamala ma'am for giving me this opportunity so that I can explore my talents and the talents of our students during this workshop.
I'm Gautam Kamal from Government Dental College, Kottayam. I have attended the Micron-24 workshop based on the topic salivary DNA extraction. It was a very informative and good workshop.
We are PGs of Government Dental College, Kadalur. The college has got very nice ambience. They arranged the workshop very nicely and they gave a very warm welcoming also.
I'm Dr. Navajeev Raj, Associate Professor of Government Dental College, Kozhikode.
I am Dr. Madhumita. I am first year postgraduate student from Mahatma Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences, Pondicherry. I had no idea before what is actually DNA extraction and DNA isolation. We just read some articles and had some knowledge about it.
So the students were very interactive. We were very curious about the procedures, about the DNA molecule as such. So the presentation, everything went on well. The reception from the management, the faculty members, the students, everything was great. And we had a good time at Adhiparasakthi Dental College, the Department of Oral Pathology.
A workshop was also started with one small lecture.
How actually DNA extraction is done. That lecture was also very useful. Followed that by that we had
and then we had our hands-on workshop, which was really good.
And we were also given hands-on training using gel electrophoresis and both kit method and manual method.
So this is the first time I'm coming here. So after seeing this atmosphere, I feel like I have to come again if invited in future. Thank you very much for the opportunity given and the time and support from all the faculty members of the department. It was well organized. All the consumables, all the equipments that I had asked for was there for me to work. The space, the reagents, the facilities, everything is seems to be very good and well maintained.
So it was very useful and we gained quite a knowledge about DNA extraction, and I'm sure that I will implement it in further future studies of mine. Thank you Adhiparasakthi Dental College for this opportunity.
Thank you Adhiparasakthi Dental College. The Sunday's facility is excellent. The overall department, faculty, the supporting staff, PGs, they coordinated well for this section, and the overall ambience, facilities, everything is outstanding.
And now we are here exploring the campus, which is very good and greenery. Thank you.
And thank you for hosting this workshop, which is hosted by Adhiparasakthi Dental College. And we are extremely thankful for this event, and we are hopefully looking forward for the Micron 2025. Thank you.
And I really enjoyed it. The research person, faculty, their supporting staff, they well interacted with the faculty, all the delegates, and thank you for the gracious hospitality and professionalism. Thank you.
So I congratulate the whole team of Oral Pathology Department for successfully conducting, and they will still continue to conduct more of workshops like this. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Shamala ma'am and many congratulations to the Department of Oral Pathology team. Thank you.